shirts.
And these backpacks for today's adventure.
And also, we have these dinosaur keychains.
And I got one of the rarest ones, the bonus.
And also, what else we got? We got our own plushies.
And we got
Some other things.
and then this is my plushie that I got.
And I got this.
It's a centipede.
Effie, and we got new backpacks.
My foot melted a little bit.
Fool's lava. There's a chessboard sinking in the thing, so.
Oh, this one's cracked. Friends, but what's alphabet?
Yeah, alphabet rules.
And there's some regular alphabet rules.
There's A, but he's green, and then there's F. But why is A green? Maybe they want to do some changes. I got these two. Ezra, what did you get? You got a bony one. You got a bony T-Rex and a regular T-Rex. And
These guys keep me safe. Open them. Hello. There's a lot of spider webs on the top. There's a sunroof.
yeah, that's water, though. See? Water, right?
Well, this goes really far. This one also has a sunroof. They all have
I've always liked hunting for these.
There's a bunch of walls. What? This way it goes up.
Did you think that was real for a second? Why did I hear?
Look at that one.
That's a king snake. I thought those birds were real for a second.
Well, they were real once upon a time, and they still are real. It's just they're dead and they're stuffed.
I've been so bad.
You see a bee? Maybe it's on the other. There's turtles in some of these. Look. This is a picture one. I don't see anything. That's weird.
This whole place, and we named it after her, in honor of her, because she did so much to preserve all that.
47 years old. He's older than your mom.
The tortoise is as old as my dad.
But the tortoise is older than both of my mom. You use it to brush off your feet after a hike unless you like step in poop or something or too much water. Wipe it off like this. They were watching salmon because there was lots of dead, big, whipped up salmon everywhere.
For real?
Yeah.
Before you walk the more water, you like stop walking. It's gonna be a while.
Salmon, dead salmon, salmon.
What do you think's down there,
more
Ezra?
Salmon.
I love dead salmon.
So God made these trees and the Getterding.
That's
my family. Getterding planted the palm trees, and God made the seeds of the palm trees.
Thanks for watching.
And that's all for today, guys. See you in the next one.